mail is also referred to as email. It is a method of exchanging digital messages from one author to one or more recipients. Earlier email systems required that the author and the recipient both be online at the same time. However, now, neither the user nor the computers are required to be online simultaneously. Today's email systems are based on a store and forward model. The history of email. Email is much older than the internet. It was never invented, just evolved. Earlier, email was something like a file directory where a message was put in the user's directory in a spot where they could use it when they logged in. Mailbox was the first email of this type. As the internet became available, email facilities have evolved to current trends of intranet, which are effectively mini-internets using the standard-based internet services. The email is now more readily available, interoperable between systems, available worldwide, inexpensive, much better known, fashionable and easier to use.
Why to use emails? We can send message anytime, anywhere. We can send the same message to several people at the same time. We can forward the information to co-workers without retyping it. We can send the message around the world as easily as to a friend in a nearby cabin. We can save time. Email is very faster. It usually takes no time than a few minutes to be received. It is very fast as compared to a postal mail.
Structure of an email. An email has two basic parts, the header and the body of the message. The header contains information about who the message was sent from, the recipient and the route. The body contains whatever the sender wishes to send. The header consists of lines beginning with a keyword followed by a colon, followed by information on each line. The following are the headers included. Received. These lines indicate the route that the email has taken and which systems have handled it and the times that it was handled. From. The sender. The part in angle brackets is a real electronic mail address. This field may be user settable, so may not reflect the true sender. In this case, it shows the original sender of the message. 2. Who the email is sent to. CC. Addresses of the recipients who will also receive copies. Subject. Subject of the messages as specified by the sender. Guidelines for writing an email. Use the neutral email address. Your email address should be a variation of your real name, not a username or nickname. Use a short and accurate subject header. Use a proper salutation. Addressing the recipient by the name is preferred. Use the person's title, Mr. or Mrs. or Doctor, with their last name followed by a comma or a colon. For the main body, the following things should be considered. The email should be no more than 5 paragraphs long and each paragraph should be no more than 5 sentences long. Insert a line break between each paragraph. Be sure to avoid informal writing. Sign with your full name. If you have a job title, include that in the line after your name and write the company name or website in the line after that.